In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube video in Canva. If you're building a presentation, social post, or any visual and want to showcase a YouTube clip right inside your Canva design, this walkthrough will make it simple and reliable. Start in any open Canva design. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main toolbar where all your elements live. Look for the Apps option. Depending on your screen size, it may be near the bottom of that panel. Click it to open Canva's library of integrations and tools. If you don't immediately see Apps, hover over the sidebar or expand it so the labels are visible. Then select Apps to continue. Inside the Apps panel, use the search field at the top and type the word embed. Typing this helps narrow down the integrations related to bringing outside content into your design. Spelling matters here, so make sure it's all one word. You should see results appear that are specific to embedding content, including YouTube. From the results, choose YouTube Embed. This tells Canva you want to pull a video directly from YouTube so it can display and play inside your current design. Selecting it opens a panel where you can look up videos without leaving Canva. It's a quick way to stay focused on your layout while you find the exact clip you need. Next, search for the video. Use relevant keywords, the video title, or the channel name to help surface the right result. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct video by checking the thumbnail and title that appear in the list. If your search is broad, refine your terms to make it easier to find what you want. When you see the video you want, click the video. Canva will place it directly onto your canvas. From there, it behaves like any other element, so you'll notice handles around it and the standard alignment controls. You can move it to the right spot in your layout, fit it to a frame, or align it with other elements for a clean, professional look. During editing, you can preview playback to confirm the video appears and sounds the way you expect. A quick tip on sharing. Embedded YouTube videos are interactive when you present or share a viewable Canva link. If you download a static format like PDF, playback won't be available. For presentations, use Present mode to keep the video clickable and playable. That's all you need to confidently embed a YouTube video in Canva and keep your design both informative and dynamic.